Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today, well, you might have seen my video that 24H2 is going to be forced updating your machine if you're on 23H2. So this means that whether you like it or not right now, if you do nothing, you're getting 24H2 that will appear and install, and that's it. So maybe you want to wait. Maybe you want to stay on 23H2 for a little while. Well, 23H2, of course, is good until October of this year, and so you can still continue using it. But how do you prevent the update to 24H2? Well, you're going to use a trick called metered connection. When you are connected to the internet, you can actually tell Windows that you're on a metered connection, which means you're on a limited bandwidth. So it will prevent big updates from downloading, which means you'll get the monthly security updates, but you won't get 24H2 because it's a big update. So right-click on your internet connection in the taskbar. It could be in the form of a screen like you see here, or some kind of waves where you will see that you're connected to the internet. Right-click on it and go into Network and Internet Settings. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, what you will do is click on Wi-Fi. Then you will go on your internet or your Wi-Fi connection properties. And here you'll go to metered connection, turn it on. This is what you want to do. Turn on metered connection. Then, if you're not on Wi-Fi, maybe you're on a Ethernet connection, then it's the Ethernet connection you're going to go to. And here, on your internet connection, you will turn on metered connection. So each has its own little slider of metered connection. So this means that when you are on Windows Update, you will not get 24H2. The other thing that you might want to check in your Windows Update in the advanced options is that the slider to download updates over metered connection is off. That is also very important, because if that turns on, then the purpose of the metered connection is defeated. So this needs to be off in the advanced options of Windows Update, but you need to be on in the metered connections on your connection. Once that is done, this means that from now on, you'll get security updates every month, but all the extra fluff that the updates can download that are big updates, including 24H2, will not show up. They'll not show up because they are huge updates. And if at some point you desire to get 24H2, because at some point you will have to move on anyways later this year, well, all you'll have to do at that time is right-click again your internet connection, go to Network Internet Settings, and each connection that you have removed it, what you will do is in the properties, you'll put the metered connection at off so that updates will come back to normal again. And then you'll get 24H2 probably at that moment. So that's the way it works. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.